Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Find My Phone in Samsung Galaxy A06 device. So first of all guys, you have to go to settings and here search for a Find. So scroll down, as you see we have an option of Find My Device. Just tap on a Find My Device. Now all you guys have to do just enable this feature. I already enabled this, so enable it, and we have the option of ways to find my device. So first of all, we have Find My Device. Just tap here and go to Play Store. So we can install this application from here. Now click to open, and all you guys have to do that use your pattern or fingerprint. I am using my pattern here. Now accept it, and as you see, use the Find My Device network, locate your offline devices and help other. So these are all my devices, by the way. So here we have all the locations of my devices. Guys, we have another option of remote lock. Just tap here as when your device is stolen. So you can use this method by tapping your phone number and your device will be locked. But make sure that your device have your SIM at that time so that your device can be locked. So guys, that's how we can find our device by using the application. And guys, if we want to find your device offline, so we have this method also, like without network, with network in high traffic areas, and with network in all areas. So you can select it with network in all traffic areas so that you can find your device at any time. But you have to enter your lock screen here. Just enter the screen password and then click next. So now this is set to with network in all areas. Now you can find your device offline too. Guys, that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.